Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the secret ancient plank road at Zhao Yun Mountain. Can I uncover its mysteries? Located deep within Zhao Yun Mountain lies a treacherous and ancient path, shrouded in mystery and intrigue, the ancient plank road. This incredible feat of engineering has been whispering secrets to adventurers for centuries, beckoning them to embark on a thrilling journey of discovery. The origins of the plank road remain a closely guarded secret, lost to the sands of time. Many have attempted to uncover its history, only to be met with frustration and disappointment. The few who have successfully navigated its treacherous paths have returned with tales of wonder and awe, but also with whispers of hidden dangers and untold riches. Despite the challenges, adventurers continue to be drawn to the plank road, hoping to uncover its secrets and claim a piece of history for themselves. The mystery surrounding the plank road's origins has led to countless theories and legends. Some claim it was built by a secretive ancient civilization, while others believe it was constructed by a powerful and long-forgotten dynasty. Whatever its true origins, one thing is certain: the plank road holds a deep significance in the history of Zhao Yun Mountain. For those brave enough to tackle its dangers, the rewards are immeasurable. As we delve deeper into the mystery, we begin to unravel the tangled threads of history. The plank road's construction is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient engineers who built it. Its role in ancient trade routes is undeniable, with merchants and travelers from far and wide traversing its treacherous paths in search of exotic goods and new opportunities. And yet, despite its importance, the plank road remains a shadowy figure, shrouded in an air of mystery and intrigue. Legend has it that the plank road was built during the Qin dynasty, when the ruling elite sought to extend their empire deep into the heart of Zhao Yun Mountain. According to myth, the road was constructed using simple yet ingenious techniques, with wooden planks suspended precariously over steep cliffs and deep valleys. The truth behind these legends is yet to be uncovered, but one thing is certain: the plank road is a true marvel of ancient engineering. As we continue to explore the plank road, we begin to uncover fragments of its storied past. Ancient inscriptions etched into the rocky walls tell tales of a forgotten era, when brave warriors and cunning merchants traversed the treacherous paths in search of adventure and riches. And then, there are the stories of the road's most infamous travelers, the legendary heroes who braved the unknown and returned with tales of wonder and awe. One of the most thrilling discoveries about the plank road is the revelation that it may have been used as a secret passage for ancient royalty. Imagine it, a hidden route, winding its way deep into the heart of Zhao Yun Mountain, reserved exclusively for the emperors and nobles of old. This incredible insight changes everything we thought we knew about the plank road, elevating its status from a simple ancient path to a gateway to the very heart of Chinese history. The ancient plank road at Zhao Yun Mountain is more than just a relic of the past, it's a window into a forgotten era, a testament to human ingenuity and bravery. As we reflect on our journey, we're reminded that the true value of adventure lies not in the destination, but in the journey itself. Join me next time as we explore more hidden wonders and secrets from the world of historical adventures. What did you think about the ancient plank road? Let me know in the comments below.